Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on equivalent fractions and you're asked to match the shaded fraction of each circle to the same shaded fraction of the rectangle. So you've got the circles on the left and you've got the rectangles on the right, and you've got to match the pairs up. You're told that the first one has been done for you. So this one here is a half a circle and half the rectangle has been coloured in, which is why there's a line drawn between the two of them. You've got to match the other ones up for 1 mark. So your key facts. You need to work out the fractions. You need to write down what each of these fractions are on both sides. And then you've got to cancel your fractions by dividing the numerator and the denominator by a number that is common to both. So you've got to find a number that is common to both. So for example, on this one, this is 2 shaded out of 4 in total. So 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2, because you can halve 2 to give you 1 and halve 4 to give you 2. So they are equivalent. That's why these two diagrams are the same. You've got to work out the rest of them. So press pause, see if you can work out which ones go together. So which of these circles go with which rectangle, and then press play when you've got your answer. Hello and welcome back. Hopefully you've managed to match which one of these circles goes with the rectangles. So we're going to look at the answer, and we're going to start off by working out the fractions of the circles. So you can see here there are 4 sections. One is shaded, so that is the same as 1 over 4, or a quarter. Here I've got 3 sections of this circle, 1, 2, 3. 2 of them are coloured in, so that is equivalent to 2/3. So 2 coloured in out of 3, 2/3. The bottom one down here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, so we're in fifths, and 1, 2, 3 have been coloured in, so that is 3/5. Now we're on to the rectangles, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coloured in, and along here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top, so another 5 underneath, that's 10. So we have got 6 out of 10. Now 6 and 10 are both even, and they can both be divided by 2. A half of 6 is 3, a half of 10 is 5, so 6 over 10 is equivalent to 3/5. So you need to draw a line using a ruler between these two diagrams. You could also see, if you just look at the top half of this picture, so out of the top 5, there's 1, 2, 3 being coloured in out of the 5 in total. So half the diagram is 3/5, which is what you've got in this diagram on the left-hand side for the circle. On to the next diagram, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. So that's 4 out of 6. Again, both these numbers are even. So halving 4 gives me 2, halving 6 gives me 3. So that gives me 2/3. Again, if you look at the diagram here, on half of the diagram, you've got 1, 2 out of 3, which is equivalent to 2/3. So these two diagrams are equivalent. The last one, I've got 2 shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 2 out of 8. Halving 2 gives me 1. Halving 8 gives me 4. So I've got 1 over 4, which is the quarter. So again, these two match up. It's always worth checking that the last one matches up to make sure that you have got the other ones correct. Again, if you look at half the diagram, so the top half of this, that's 1 out of 4 sections in the top, which is what you've got on this diagram here. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Great work, well done. Here you can see the mark scheme for 1 mark for getting all of them correct. So you can see how they've been matched up. It says do not accept a shaded circle matched to more than 1 shaded rectangle. So each one has to match up with 1 diagram. So you cannot do 1 circle going to 2 rectangles. That will not give you any marks. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. Remember, tell your friends. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.